Hi there, I'm Sabine.
Hi, I'm Marco.
We're founders of Puricious Health Coaching and yoga instructors. This is a video about yoga for dummies. So we'll show you some moves that you can start doing with your partner, with your kids, but also by yourself to start a fun yoga practice yourself.
And let us know if you have any questions or if we can help you to further develop this simple practice.
Start by shaking your body to release the tension and relax your body. Shake, 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 shake. Arms, legs, shake your entire body and have some fun with it. And now we're going to connect the breath to movement. So inhale, move your arms up, exhale, arms down. And in this way, we connect the breath to the movement and feel free like birds. Enjoy flying away. Next up is a powerful warrior two. Take a big step backwards with your right foot. Make sure your hips are aligned to the long side of the mat. Your heels are aligned. Bend your front knee in 90 degrees angle, so don't go too much forward or backwards. Make sure you're centered with your upper body. Inhale and lift your arms up at shoulder height. And now breathe in and move your back arm as a windmill. You can go as slow or as fast as you like, but connect it to your breath. And being a Dutchie, I love this movement of a windmill. Hold on, breathe in, breathe out, bring your arms down, straighten your leg, breathe in, and step back to the front of your mat. And stand tall again. And now we're going to move to the other side. A big step backwards with your left foot this time. Check if your back foot is at 90 degrees angle and that your front leg is bent also at 90 degrees. Check if your arms are aligned. Look over your right hand at the horizon and slowly breathe in to bring in the windmill again. Breathe out, bring your arms down, straighten your leg, breathe in, and step back to the front of your mat. Next up is a balancing pose, the tree pose. The busier your mind, the harder it is to keep balance. All your weight goes to your left leg, that will be your standing leg. Look for your focus point, either on the ground, in front of you, or somewhere at eye level. That focus point will help you find balance. Breathe in and take your right foot as far as up as possible. If you can't bring it all the way, then let it rest on your lower leg, but don't push it right on your knee. Open your hip as much as possible, so your right knee points all the way out at a 90-degree angle to the right. Breathe in and stand tall as a tree, keeping an eye on your focus point so you can hold your balance. Breathe in, stand tall. Breathe out, slowly bring your hands back to your chest. Breathe in, bring your knee to the front, and breathe out. Both feet on the ground again. And shake out your legs. Shake, 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 shake. This time the other side. Put all your weight on your right leg, which will be your standing leg. Look for your focus point, either on the ground, in front of you, or somewhere at eye level. Breathe in, bring your foot up as high as possible. Hold your hands in prayer position in front of your chest. And breathe in when you want to stand taller as a tree. will notice that one side might be easier for you to hold the balance than the other side, and that might change from a day-to-day basis. And then bring back your hands in prayer position in front of your chest. Breathe in, bring your knee to the front, and breathe out. Feet are back on the floor, and shake out your legs again. Shake, 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 shake to finish this fun practice. And hug your loved ones. We hope you've enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for how to integrate more of the yoga into your daily life. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.